Hello, mfantika sesia esiafina. Chechrenyi apia mensenyi. Ende yerebosia mbreyebesi yedze brofa sentoza konfantim. We are going to learn how to translate simple English sentences into Fanti. Are you ready? Here I have with me Ekua
Aruba.
Good. Ekua Aruba here to do the translation. I will mention the sentence in English whilst she does the translation of these simple sentences into Fanti. This lesson is going to be very exciting, so please pay attention. Stay glued to your devices. Now let's start with the first sentence. John is sitting on a chair. How do you translate this into Fanti?
John tena egwa nodo.
Good. John tena egwa nodo. Come again.
John tena egwa nodo.
Sentence number 2. The students are sitting.
Esuafo no tena ho.
Esuafo no tena ho. Esuafo no tena ho. The students. The plural of osuenyi is esuafo. That's good. Sentence number 4. Kwansima is washing.
Kwansima woho ade.
Ayadze papa. Let me do a little correction. See, is washing. We say rohor. Come again.
Roho.
Rohor. So kwansima rohor ade. Let's look at the next sentence. He is driving the car. How do you translate this into Fanti?
Oruchu hen.
Oruchu hen. That's very good. Please remember, in Fanti, we don't have a pronoun for a male and a female. All use one pronoun, unlike English where we have he or she. So oruchu hen, that's the translation. The next one. Do not sit on the table.
Man tena egwa. Men tena ponodo.
Good. Ma nsena ponodo. In Fanti, do not is written as ma a. Ma nsena ponodo. Ma nsena ponodo. Ayadze. Yenhwe asem towards her. The next sentence. She is going home.
Oruko fie.
Oroko fie. Come again.
Oroko fie.
Oroko. Yeah, oroko. Oroko fie.
Oroko fie.
Ayadze. So like I said, this one to he and she, there is no separate pronoun for that. So oroko. Tema is a big town.
Tema yekuro kese.
Tema yekuro kese. That's the translation. Let's look at the next one. He works at the harbor.
Oye ejuma wo harbor.
Good. Or you can extend it by saying Oye ejuma wo nsushen jinabia ho. Nsushen jinabia ho. Let's look at the next one. Someone is in the room.
Obi wodanumu.
Obi wodanumu. Ampa. Obi wodanumu. 11th sentence. Where has your mother gone?
Wana kohen.
Good. So wona kohen or womame kohen. Womame kohen or wona kohen. Now the last sentence is for you, our learners, here on the platform. Please try translating this simple English sentence in the comment section while I do my best to do an analysis of your translations. This is the sentence. One man can carry the load. Do a translation of it and I would look at them. Chechrenyi apia mensenyi with me here is
Ekua Aruba.
see you some other time. Makrahum.